Hi pet parent, this is Kashika Arora and I hope you're doing great. Diwali is on the corner and it's a very scary time for all of us. So we have these kind of mufflers available online where you can put it in your pet's head. This helps. You can put earplugs, you can have good music in the house so that they are distracted. Close all doors, windows, everything, exhaust area, so that there is no noise coming inside. Keep soft pillows around them, be with them. And also you can keep Safe Heart as a medicine which is good for the heart. You can suggest with your doctor, which is going to calm your pet down if there is something severe. Keep them hydrated, give them loads of ORS if needed. Feed them dinner early, like suppose if the dinner time is 9, finish it by 6:37. Give them more lunch if you think they're going to skip the dinner. And please stay with them, and in fact please let the streeties come inside because they are very scared. Take care of your pets around and animals around you. Thank you.